Hey, and welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be making this kick-ass wall pocket organizer with clear pocket holders, and I'm actually going to make it for my bathroom hang on the outside of the shower curtain because we only got limited space in the bathroom with a small little cabinet. So I thought, what a great way to hold extra items that we have for the bathroom. And I've been looking and looking at the stores for them. Can't find them. If I do find them, they're $20-$30. And I got less than $5 in them, everything but less than $5 in the material and the plastic. So I'm like, why not make my own? So I went and purchased some blue fabric to match my bathroom and the clear plastic. And instead of putting rings up at the top, I sewed 3 of these strips, and I'm going to attach them to the top of it, and then we're going to just tie a bow to hang it to the shower curtain, and then if we need to take it down or anything, just untie it. I like that better than messing with the shower curtain rings, putting them in there and clipping them on. It kind of gets annoying to me, so I thought this would work out perfect. So I already cut my material, cut my plastic, and I'm actually starting to sew one of the pouches on, the clear. I was actually wondering how good it would sew on my new Singer 6600C HD sewing machine, and because I've never sewed plastic with it before, and it's actually sewing pretty good. I'm really impressed. Give you a look at it in just a minute. I'm going to sew down the pockets, the center of the plastic, to make individual pockets. And you can make them as wide as you want, cut the plastic as wide as you want. It's really totally up to you. I actually think I'm going to make 3 pockets down this one, the top layer. Doesn't take long at all once you cut your material out to do this. And I almost got this first pocket done. Give you a look at what it looks like. And I have different size pockets. Well, my next one is probably going to be 3 pockets and then 3 pockets. Then, like I said, I'm going to take the top and sew these across the top and then do a little bow tie on the top of the sewing machine. But tomorrow I plan on showing you how to make a women's shirt without pattern. So if you like my videos, don't forget to give them a big old thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thank you.